So what is he doing now?
He's down on one knee, handing her flowers.
She doesn't want flowers. She wants a ring.
That's what he's afraid of. Wait a minute. She just threw all the flowers on the ground and stormed off.
She wants a ring.
He's going after her. Forget it, kid. She's gone.
Hey, you know, if it wasn't for you telling me what's going on in that park, I don't know what I'd do.
I enjoy it.
You made me realize that there's plenty to enjoy without having to see it. Thanks.
Forget about it. Eat your lunch. Guess who's sitting on the bench, holding the flowers?
You're kidding.
I kid you not.
Well, what's he doing?
He's standing up. She's back. She's
what?
She's taking the flowers.
And what?
And she's giving him a big kiss. He's back down on one knee again.
Uh-oh.
But this time, he's got something else.
A ring?
Yep. You got it.
Way to go, kid.
Murray, are you ready?
Am I ready? Who can ever be ready for something like this?
I know, but it is time.
Well, if it's time, then it's time.
Good luck, my friend. Only one tray?
He didn't make it.
Nurse, will you do me a favor, please? Would you take a look down at that park and tell me what you see?
Mr. Johnson, there's nothing outside this window but a brick wall.